got to stop letting the world tell us what we can and what we cannot do. We've got to go to the Word and hear what God says I created you for. And then we've got to walk in the calling that God has called each and every one of us to. What the devil wants, he wants to rob you of your knowledge of your divine potential. He doesn't want you to know who God created you to be. And so in so many different ways, he seeks to rob you. He'll rob you as a culture to keep you from knowing your history so that you don't know where you came from. And if you don't know where you came from, you don't know where you can go to. But Jesus made this statement. He said, if you hold on to my teaching, it doesn't matter what your mama was, it doesn't matter what your daddy was, you hold on to my teaching, then you'll know the truth. And that truth will make you free. I'm here to tell you, God has empowered every one of you with an ability to do exceedingly abundantly above all that you could ever think that you can do. You've got to recognize that you have the power of Almighty God that has been invested in you for a mission for His kingdom, and that power that God has given you will give you a victory every time. But the thief come but to steal, to keep you from knowing who you really are. The thief came to keep you from recognizing you are a child of God. For he says, as many as receive him, he gave the power, the authority to be children of God. And Jesus said that he who believes in me, the works that I've done, even greater works he will do.